Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2025 Chevrolet Equinox LT. It comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included, such as heated bucket seats, as well as Google Assistant and Maps, heated steering wheel, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this black interior with paneling, cup holder storage on the bottom next to speakers. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the chrome accent handle. And these manually adjustable heated bucket seats, super comfortable. And left side will be your vents with your all-wheel drive auto hold and auto stop. Left side is steering wheel, be your cruise control, forward collision alert in your low mode, with the right side being your voice recognition, heated steering wheel, and odometer screen switch. And it switches through Google Maps as well as your forward gap adjuster and just your simple design. It's going to be push to start and onto the infotainment, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps. You hit vehicle status, and it's going to give you all your gauges information, as well as Amazon Alexa, your rear camera with park assist, Wi-Fi hotspot, and Google News. Below, you're going to have the climate controls, the heated seats, 2 USB ports with lots of extra storage, and center console storage. Passenger side, same finish, manually adjustable, chrome accents across, speakers and vents up top, and then here's access reading lamps and your OnStar and SOS. So you're going to need 17-inch wheels on Michelin Primacy all-season tires with paint match mirror caps and keyless entry door handles. Tinted rear glass in the back. And you're going to have the 60/40 rear folding split seats with lamps in the back with hooks and extra storage down below. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, again, more paneling storage next to the speaker. Power window with chrome accent. Pretty good legroom. Storage behind the passenger driver's side with 2 USB ports and some vents. Storage down below. Cup holder and armrest right in the center. Lamps up top and the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2025 Chevrolet Equinox LT, equipped with 1.5 liter turbo engine, as well as heated seats, heated steering wheel, Google Assistant and Maps, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, forward collision alert, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.